Hi, welcome to Cooking Khmer Food with Kim Sin. So today I'm gonna show you how to make sweet and sour sauce in Cambodian style. So the ingredients that you're gonna need is 1 clove of garlic, distilled vinegar, any kind of distilled vinegar, squid sauce fish brand. So this is the one that I tend to use. It's much cheaper and it tastes good. And then you're gonna need sugar, salt, and some MSG. So come over, I'm gonna show you what you need to do for your measurement. You wanna measure 2 cups of water. It's right here. You wanna have 2 cups. And then you wanna have 1 cup and 3/4 of sugar. So what we're gonna do is dump the sugar first into the pan here. Turn on the heat to high. And then you're gonna use a wooden spatula. So you're gonna let it melt, and when it caramelizes to be brown, so what you can see is that it's starting to melt right here. So once it becomes this brown, you don't want it to be burned. You want to start pouring the water. So you're gonna boil the water and let it dissolve the sugar, and this is how you get really golden color sauce. So you want to take off the heat and stir the sugar that is left until it dissolves. You want to continue to stir the sugar, and it is off from the heater until the sugar get a little bit smaller. As you can see, the sugar rock get a little bit smaller. You're gonna pour the fish sauce and the vinegar, and then we're gonna heat a cup of fish sauce here. And you're not putting on the heater, you're just gonna stir it. You're gonna put 1 cup of vinegar, the dissolved white vinegar. That's 1 cup of vinegar here. Okay, I'm gonna dissolve. As you can see, the sugar rock is kind of going away, and we're getting a golden color sauce. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of MSG. Here's 1, and here's the second one. 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you're just gonna stir it. Then you're gonna put it on high, and then you're gonna stir the sauce until it started to boil a little bit. So once it comes to a boil like this, you can see the bubbling coming up. So that means you can turn it off. So I'm gonna turn off the stove here. Let's just pound on this. You can put pressure on it. So you'll want to do one by one. So after that, you just shake the end of it. See how it's easy to come out. Then we're gonna mince the garlic. And this is how I do it. There you go. This is how you want to mince your garlic. Okay, after you're letting it settle for a little bit, you're gonna dump the garlic in here. And then you're gonna stir the garlic. So, and that's all you need for making the sweet and sour sauce. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit like and share my video with your friend, so that way I have more video that I'm going to be showing. So for those who like it, you know, the way I do it, make sure you comment. But you can use this, like I said, for spring roll, noodle salad, and sometimes people use it for pad thai after it's stir fry. So there's so many ways you can use this sauce. So you want to take a spring roll wrap, and then you're gonna dip it into warm water. And once you dip it to the warm water, so you want to shake any extra water and put it on a flat bowl. So you're gonna take a noodle, you're gonna rip that into half because that's just too much. So you're gonna lay it on the side, and then you're gonna put lettuce, and you can put as much as you want, but be mindful if you put too much, then it's harder to wrap. Then we're gonna put mint, and you want to spread it evenly, the mint. And then we're gonna put cilantro. Then we're gonna put some cucumber, and then we're gonna put some bean sprout. So for those who do not want any meat, you would just wrap it like this. So next we're going to be putting 3 layers of pork. You want to pre-cook that, and then you're going to wrap it halfway, and then you're going to take the right side and turn it in, and then you take the left side and turn it in, and this is where you're going to add 3 shrimp, and it's cut into half, and then you'll continue to roll it until you get to the end part. And this is how you make spring roll. So here's the sauce. So I added some peanut, roasted peanut into my sauce, and people who like it, they can do that, and for those who don't need it,